Hello friends, in this video I will show how to send Excel file by email. So firstly, save your Excel file or save as on your PC. Then click on Compose. Select your friend's email where you want to send. Subject. Then here click on this attach files and select your email, your Excel file. Now wait for a few seconds, then send it. Similarly, you can send any particular part of Excel worksheet. Select copy and paste here. And send it. Similarly, you can copy Excel chart and you can send via email. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.